Okay, Lucas is ready to power down the scanner now that we've got all the data on the USB stick. So the same process, he's going to press that power button on the side there, and that's going to stop the scanner. He's going to press and hold it and then let it go after he hears the second beep, and then the scanner will eventually power down, and then you can start packing away the rest of the scanner. So again, same way, just backwards. Pull out the cable for the panoramic camera. And then detach the data cable, the data logger cable. So you pull it, there's a little sleeve that you're going to pull back and then pull out. So pull the sleeve back and then out it comes. There you go. And the same on the other side, you're going to pull out the the data logger cable, pull the sleeve back, out it comes, and the Ethernet cable, and then those are going to get wrapped up and put back into the GeoSLAM box. Now he's going to pull off the battery from the data logger, and there's going to be a little button on the side that Lucas is going to press. That's this little button right here. So he's going to press that, and that's going to release the battery, and then he can pull the battery off and stick the battery back into the case, into the battery location. Oh yeah, don't forget to put the little tabs back into the data logger.
This is the Ethernet.
There'll be a USB.
Yeah.
Like that, and then that cable goes on the back of the Ethernet on the cable.
Oh yeah. Right here.
Right there. We got it. Good. And he's going to put the data logger back into the data logger slot. There we go. And the GeoSLAM will be tucked away, so we're going to have to turn the scanner that way, and now he can feed that right back into the box.
It's this way, right? Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
And the battery charger is going to go in too, in the slot that says battery charger. Excellent. Okay, close it back up. Thank you, Lucas.
Thank you.